watching Island Post News Daily. The Meghalaya government has decided to appoint an expert committee to study into the alleged detection of high level of radiation from the uranium storage tanks of the UCIL.
The government has decided to immediately appoint expert agency to go deep to the alleged leakages of the tanki stored at Domyaset relating to uranium testing. So we decided today that expert agency will be entrusted to immediately undertake all the details and also to bring back the report to the government. That's what we require expert to ultimately go for detailed investigation. So being a layman, I can't say much beyond that. But what I'm saying is government has decided to set up or to engage the expertise of expert agency immediately. We are identifying such expert agency or committee. So once that is done, while issuing the order, terms of reference will be given and also the timeline will be indicated. First inspection was done by the district administration. But ultimately, as I said, district administration, they don't have expert. They went, they seen, in fact, they said no leakage. But still, as I said to you, or members of the NGOs, and then some concerned personalities, personally they went down and then they seen that yes, leakage is there, and then even they think, I think, of course, this is not the conclusion. They mentioned that radiation has crossed a limit. So therefore, in view of these statements, so we thought that the most appropriate steps from the government side is to engage expert agency to go deep down to all these issues. Oh no, this one we have already entrusted to Chief Secretary, okay, to find out. But as I said to you, this committee should be an expert committee or expert agency. Okay, so maybe most likely by next week we will be able to notify that.